fun.
Yeah.
And 7 birds come in, they gobbled hard this morning.
Alright guys, so my next tip is going to be how to make a rocket stove to take with you out on the trail, or with just stuff you find out on the trail. If you're really in a necessity, people are disgusting. You can find, like I said, a soda can. So, soda can, pretty nice. That's that same one that I did a minute ago for the wax for the matches. This one is actually a pineapple can. A soup can that you have with you or whatever. What I did is I gone ahead and I cut a circle out of it. In a pinch, you could probably use a knife or something and cut pie shapes and bend them in, being super careful. That would fit this can. I thought it would. Might have to make a little second guess point there, but that the can will fit in, or you can take it like I'm gonna do, since it's not perfect. I'm just gonna cut down here so that way I can fold it into itself so it will fit the hole. And then I went ahead and I made 4 cuts on the top and folded it in so that I had a surface where I could actually set something on top of it to cook if I really needed to. Let's see, where did I just put that bottom? Alright, well apparently that disappeared. Shit happens like that out here. It does too. Shit just disappears. Ah, got it. So what I'll do is I'll take this old wax here so I can show you guys that it melts with the heat. And then I got some kindling here. So what I'll do is I'll take my knife and hold this very carefully, and I'll make another incision down the side of it here. Well, technically you could all have this all prepped up at your house and in your backpack already. I'll take it and I'll fold it inside of itself like that, so that it'll fit in the hole. Then I'll expand it out. And then I'll just take my wood and put it in there. I'll take this, put it on top. It's got a little bit of wax in it. I'll take one of these fancy windproof matches I just showed you how to make. Okay, like I said, crush the top so you can get that wax off, so you can get to the striker. Get it all going. Ooh. And then put it in there. Okay, that popping and sizzling was the wax that I had on there. That smoke, well, that's not burning the aluminum can, but set this right over in here where there's no cause for fire. I'll even cool it down with a little bit of my soda here. There. But as you guys can see, that's got fire. That's a mini rocket stove. If I can't touch this right here, that's hot. That's putting out a decent flame. You could easily boil water in a survival situation that way. And without a problem. I mean, that can is completely reusable. You should be fine. This can should be reusable as well. But, and even with it at a downward angle like that, it actually helps keep the fire going up because fire climbs. As you guys can see, that's sitting in a snow pile right now, and it's still going. I could easily put more wood in it and cook stuff on it. There'd be plenty of space in order to cook like an egg if you had a small pan or even a piece of aluminum foil to put on top there. If you even, there's lots of possibilities to it. If you had a makeshift shelter, you know, you could easily put that in there and, well, you're not going to keep super warm, but you're not going to die of the cold either. So we're going to let that fire burn out, and we'll get to the next survival skill. Don't forget to stop by Worthington's for all your firearms and ammunition needs. When you stop by, mention Outdoors with the Common Man, and receive a 5% discount off in your order. Thank you.